Hello coders, welcome back to our series on Frontend web development for beginners. And in the last video we learned about heading and paragraph tag of HTML5. So in this video we are going to learn about some most common formatting tags of HTML5 and comments of HTML5. So if you remember, we created this file in HTML in the last video, and this is the code of that video. For today's video we are going to create a separate file. And to create a new file, you have to click on this file icon and click on this plus icon on new file and write the name of the file. We are going to write formatting and .html. So now that we have created an HTML file, we are going to get a basic HTML code. We are going to delete this meta tags, and in the title we are going to give formatting, and now we are going to write some dummy text in paragraph tag. And guys, in VS Code to write dummy text we are going to use lorem and press enter, and it is automatically going to write some dummy text for us. And now save it. And now to see this web page in our browser, we have to click on this Go Live button. And this is the button of Live Server extension which we installed in our last video. So let's create it. As you can see, our page is displayed in our browser. Now close the older one. But guys, our page is not looking good, so we are going to give it a heading. And we are going to write like, and save it. So guys, our page is now looking some decent. Now let's learn about the comments in HTML. Comments in any programming language or in HTML is used to write some message for the programmers who will be changing our code in future, or for ourselves in case if we forget about our code. To write a comment in VS Code, we have to just press Ctrl and /, and we can write some message in this comment like, and if you are going to save it, then guys it is not going to be shown on our page because comments are always ignored by the browsers, and that's why it is called comment, and it is only for programmers to convey some message. And guys, we just created this comment by pressing Ctrl + / in VS Code. But in case if you want to write this comment yourself, you have to write less than symbol and exclamation mark, and after that you have to write double dash, and after that you can write your message or comment, and after writing your comment or message you have to write double dash again and the greater than symbol. So always remember guys, this is not going to be shown in our page, it is only for the programmers or ourselves. So now we just learned about the comment. Now move on to the formatting tags of the HTML. And in HTML there are multiple formatting tags, and we are only going to learn about some useful formatting tags in HTML5. And guys, one of the formatting tags of HTML is B tag, and B stands for bold text. As the name suggests, it is going to convert some text in bold, and it is used to grab attention of the reader in a HTML page. And to write the bold text we have to click on B, and everything between these tags are going to bold text. And to test it, we are going to paste some code from up, and now let's save it. And as you can see here, our text is converted to the bold. That's it for bold text. So guys, another formatting tag in HTML5 is strong, and guys, strong is also similar to the bold tag, and it is often used as alternative to each other. Don't worry about the difference between these tags. You can use any B or a strong tag. So this is the syntax of a strong, and if you copy and paste in this strong tag, then you can see in the browser these two tags are displaying the identical text, and we can differentiate between these two tags. And that's why the b tag and a strong tag is used as alternative to each other. We are going to give it a line break, and br tag is used to give a line break. So guys, another formatting tag in HTML5 is italic, and to write italic tag we use I, and I tag is often used in a paragraph. So we are going to move this paragraph tag from up to down here, and in the paragraph tag we are going to use the italic tag. So let's put some text inside this italic tag, and if you save it, so you can see the difference between this text and the text after the italic tag. And guys, italic tag is often used to represent some important text in a paragraph. Similar to the italic tag, there is also an emphasis tag or EM. They are almost the same, but emphasis tag is for screen readers. When a screen reader reads the paragraph, it is going to read the italic tag as same as the paragraph tag, but in the case of EM, the screen reader is going to put some emphasis on the text and it is going to read as important line in the paragraph. So that's it for the italic and emphasis tag. Now let's move on to another tag in HTML5, and that is mark tag. So guys, mark tag is used to highlight some text in a web page, and to use the mark tag we have to literally write the mark. And guys, everything we put inside this mark tag is going to be highlighted. So as you can see here, everything inside this mark tag is highlighted in the web page. So that's the only use of the mark tag. So I hope you got it. So if you ever want to highlight some text in any web page, you are going to use mark tag, and you can see the example in the browser. So now let's move on to another formatting tag of HTML5, and that is the big. And to see the use of b tag, we are going to write a paragraph. And guys, b tag is used to slightly increase the size of text, and to use this b tag we have to write big, and we have to put the text inside this big tag and save it. And in the browser you can see the text inside this paragraph tag is displayed here, and the text inside the big tag is here, and it is slightly bigger than the text inside the paragraph. And guys, just opposite to the big tag there is also a small tag, and the small tag, it does just opposite to the big tag. Let's see here. Put some text in small tag. So if you notice here, the text inside this small tag is slightly smaller than the remaining text of the paragraph, and that's why it is called the small. So if you are not able to see this, I'm going to slightly zoom the web page for you. So here you can see the difference between big and small tag and the remaining paragraph tag. Now let's zoom out. And guys, another formatting tag in HTML5 is delete tag, and the syntax of delete tag is del, and we are going to use this inside the paragraph tag. And now move this text to delete tag, and now you can see the effect of this tag in the paragraph, and that is the text inside the delete tag is going to be crossed, and it symbolizes the text as deleted, and it is not relevant to the web page anymore, but it is still there because it was written previously. And to replace the text deleted, we use ins or insert tag, and insert tag tells that the text deleted from this paragraph or inside the delete tag is replaced by some another, and that text is written inside this ins tag. The text written inside this ins tag is going to be underlined, and this represents that the text are replacing the deleted text in the paragraph. So guys, similar to ins tag, there is also u tag or underline tag, and it does the same as the ins tag, but it does not mean that the deleted text inside the paragraph is replaced by this underline text. It is just used anywhere to underline the text, and to see the effect of underline text we are going to write a new paragraph. And we are going to underline some text inside this paragraph. And now let's save it, and you can see the effect of this inside our page, and it is identical to the ins tag we just learned after the delete tag. And guys, other formatting tags of HTML5 are SUP and SUB, and SUP stands for super text and SUB stands for subtext, and it is used in a paragraph or any mathematical equations. So let's see the use of this. To see the use of this tag, we are again going to write a new paragraph. And now let's put some text inside the SUP tag. And now let's save it, and in the browser you can see the effect of this tag, and it is called the super text. Now let's see the example of SUB tag or subtext tag. And in the browser you can see the effect of this tag, and the text is just slightly smaller than the remaining paragraph tag, and in the super tag the text is also smaller, but it is hanging in the upper direction, and in the SUB tag it is going down. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then subscribe our channel so that you can get the next video of this series in your notification box. And I'm going to talk about more tags of HTML5 in our next video, so stay tuned. Till then, goodbye, take care.